Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're doing a freaking little review on all my airsoft guns. So we'll start with my first and with my last. So my first airsoft gun is this. It's just a spring loaded. It's good for target practice. I would not use it in a battle at all, dude, unless you're like very good at reloading fast. I'll just say that. Then you got the 1911. It's a pretty nice one. It's also a spring loaded. It came with this gun, so it's definitely more of like target practice guns. Okay, well, then I got the Chris Vector. It's an electric. It's my first electric. And it runs real smoothly. I had to get it fixed because so the unjammer right here, it was getting like sucked into the gears that shoot the bullet. So I don't know, but here's the mag to it. And then my third gun I got, well, my fourth, I guess, is this big old Tommy gun. This is the mag for it. Here, I'll slide it on. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Hold on. Let me move this gun. Let's see if we can slide it on with one hand, y'all. We can. But it's a nice automatic. Yeah, this one is electric too. That's the battery for it right there. So then you come over here. I got my helmet. Went to get some patches for it. I got my like mouth protector that goes on my mouth and my nose. Got some gloves. And then we got a vest. It's not the best vest, but I'm gonna get a new one soon. And we got me a little backup pistol to put like right in there. But yeah, that's pretty much all my airsoft stuff. I'm gonna start getting more because I've only been doing airsoft for not that long. I kind of started last year, so I want to start getting into it and getting cooler guns. So yeah. But yeah, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and yeah, just please. We'll see you in the next video.